Advanced Engineering 2020. Steve, it's fantastic to be back at live events. Your stand's been busy so far this morning.
Absolutely. I mean, wow, look at the place. You know, there's that many people here. I never thought it'd be this busy, so really, really impressed. And yeah, for sure, we've got some nice products on here. So LK's not necessarily been known for portable arms in the past. So we have the new Freedom Arm. We've got a scanning system with it. We've also got a new product to support the operator as well, to reduce inspection times, to make the uncertainty of measurement as less as possible. So we've got this new index table, which is quite a unique piece of equipment. So as you'll see here, with the arm on the table, the arm is set up. So a part like this typically is quite awkward to measure because it's quite flimsy. But by putting it on this table, we can clamp it down, we can scan it in one position. So effectively with the arm we can scan it, you see on here. When you want to then move the part, rather than pick the part up and move it and flex, we actually measure some datum features on here, and then ultimately we unlock, we rotate, we go to the second position, and all these fiducial markers on here, we measure 3 or more again, and instantly the software with the macro in Polyworks will automatically realign itself, and the operator can keep scanning. So basically it means the arm doesn't need to be as big, operator fatigue is less, there's less uncertainty of measurement in the part, and it's best practice. It's good.
Steve, you've explained that really well. Very technical product.
Yeah.
It's something that's quite unique to LK Metrology.
Yeah, it's something we've worked on. There are other products out there, but this is specifically for our product, but also we can sell this to other arm users as well.
Now I see some people looking at this automated inspection that we have over here.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what kind of applications this is lending itself to? I can see certain parts on there.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think what you've seen over the years is, traditionally you'd have a CMM operator sat at a machine, programming the part, doing one part at a time. As you can appreciate, as production rates are increasing, what we need to see is no operator. We want to automate it. So effectively what we offer is a full turnkey package where we do all the part programming. We'll also use a robot to do parts pick and placing, a little bit like machine tending today. So effectively we can have a lights out factory, and this can run fully autonomously. And the whole process works seamlessly.
And what I like about this, Steve, is you're kind of doing low volume, high mix work on this particular solution. So you've got like a 0 point system there, and it's just literally 0 pointing the part onto the little fixture, and it's scanning the part now, so fast inspection.
Yeah, so it doesn't have to be the same part we're automating. We can have a multitude of parts going through the same inspection system. And the nice thing is with laser scanning, the accuracy has got better. So, typically we're sub 10 microns with a laser, so it really reduces the inspection time. So you can see we're scanning over that part literally in 10 seconds.
Steve, really great solution,
Yep.
And I believe that this is the future really. Inspection needs to be automated if you're automating your machine tools.
It's been automated elsewhere, so we have to do the same to keep up.
Steve, thank you.
You're welcome. Cheers.